Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about this Discovery Samsung event where you can save up to 67% off a new Samsung phone, guys. So a really good offer. This, of course, starts September 29th until October 6th. So you still have a couple days to get it. That's why I'm kind of making this video, to kind of push it on you guys, to tell you, hey, if you have Boost Mobile and you want to save money on a Samsung, you're saving more than half off on the phone. So let's look at these deals, guys, right off the bat, and it should have probably had a better background right here, which you can't even see the letter, so it's kind of dumb on them. But that's a Galaxy I can't even see it, A21 maybe, that's A32 maybe, and then that's a S21 FE. But let's shop these deals, guys, where you can get, okay, so that's the new Samsung A23 actually. So this phone, you get $170 off. It was $300, guys. This phone does retail for $300. You can get it for $130. The A53, another real good phone. That's a real steal right there. That phone is $450, guys. You can get it for $149.99. Big steal. I would recommend you getting that at that price. The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, guys. Wow. A steal, a steal, a steal. $700, you get it for $300, guys. More than half off on that thing. You're saving $400. Total recommendation from me. This phone is amazing. That's 21 FE. Real good phone. The A13 5G, another good contender for $70. You cannot beat that, guys. Now we're getting to the more expensive phones where you can save even more. The A03, of course, you can get it for $49.99 instead of $120. The Samsung Z Flip 3, of course, the 4 is out now, but the 3 still $1,000, but they've marked it down to $600. You're saving $400 off of it. The Fold 3, whoops, wow, $1,800 brings it down to $1,000, basically $1,100. Samsung S22, guys, a really good phone, depending on the memory size and all that good stuff. You can get it for $400. What a steal. That's 22 plus, $499 or $1,050. S21 is going from $800 all the way to $500. And then I wouldn't even really suggest S10 renews or anything like that. These other boys are out of stock. The S22 Ultra, of course, $700, guys. That's probably the best. That was probably the best deal out of this whole promotion. So it went down from $1,200 all the way down to $700. Wow. And then the the Galaxy A71, another good phone, is $430. You get it for $250. But overall, that's the best offer of that one. The FE is another one as well, which I would recommend. S22 as well. Guys, overall, this is just a quick little discount promotion for you guys. Good until the 6th, so check it out. If you want to get these discounts, you can also check out Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension. It'll find your best promo codes and on popular shopping websites like this, Amazon, Best Buy, many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/organic. Will be in the description below. Check it out, guys. Thank you.